Hello children, welcome to maths class. Hope you are enjoying the channel and learning maths. Learn, make this channel useful in your learning. We are in surface area and volume exercise 13.2. Question number 4. Let's learn it nicely. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of playground. So now you see, usually if we measure the length and breadth of playground, we will be finding the area. But we do not know. What we have noticed? We have noticed the dimension of roller, which is leveling the ground. And we found that the diameter of the roller is, for a roller, diameter is 84 centimeters and length is the height of the roller. You know cylindrical length or height, that is 120 centimeters. So, we are knowing this dimension of the roller. We have seen roller, we all are familiar with the roller. And then when it was rolling, leveling the ground, we noticed that roller moved 500 times and the ground was leveled completely. So, what was the area of ground? So, very interesting. If we think, then if we do not think, nothing will be interesting. So, what shall we do? How shall we calculate? 500 revolution the roller is taking to level the ground. So, what shall we do? We will find in one revolution roller is covering how much area. So, how shall we calculate that? It is simple. You see, in my hand chalk is there, it is also roller only, roller shape only. Roller is just bigger shape of this. So, if we move this chalk from here like this, we move, that means in one revolution it reached, suppose, from here to here. So, that much area it is covering according to its diameter and height. And if this chalk is rolling 500 times, so how much area it covered? We will multiply. That means we have to calculate the curved surface area of the chalk, but not chalk. Here is what? Roller. I hope you have understood. So, cylindrical shape it has, roller is in cylindrical shape. So, we will find what? The area leveled by the roller in one revolution. In one revolution. So, what will be that? You have understood? Curved surface area of the roller. And what is the shape of roller? Cylinder. So, we will use cylindrical formula of curved surface area, 2 pi RH. We all know this one. And in case the formula goes out of your mind, you will not be able to proceed hereafter. So, keep this in mind. We have diameter, not radius. Height is there 120. So, what shall we do? Diameter is there. So, radius will be half of diameter. This everything we know, it will be 42 centimeter. Now, if we want to calculate area in meter, we will convert these two in meter. If now not converting, we will get answer in centimeter, or even after getting total area, we will convert it into meter square. So, it is up to us how we do. So, let us continue with the same dimension in centimeter. 2 pi is 22 by 7, radius is 42 and height is 120. 7 1s are 7 6. What we get? 6 2s are 12, 12 into 12, 144, 144 into 22 and then 10. So, 144 into 22. 22 4s are 88, 8 remains, 22 4s are 88, 8 96, 9 remain, 22 1s are 22 and 9, 22 and 9 will be 31. So, we found 31680 centimeter square. What is this? The area leveled by the roller in one revolution. The roller is moving how many times? It takes 500 complete revolution. Then only ground was leveled completely. So, area covered by the roller or leveled by the roller in 500 revolution. Therefore, the area of the playground leveled by the roller in 500 revolution. So, in one revolution 31680 into 500 revolution, multiply by 5. Let us multiply, 3 zeros will be there, let it be. 5 8s are 40, 5 6 are 34, 5 1s are 5 3 8, 5 3s are 15. So, this is a big dimension, and if we say that it is what is that, 1,58,40,000 centimeter square, it is little, it is right, not wrong, but it looks little funny. So, we need to convert the dimensions or area or volume whatever into practical language. We can say that we will not say 1,58,40,000 centimeter square, rather we would like to say in meter square. So, or we will convert it into meter square. So, how to convert centimeter square into meter square? How to convert centimeter square into meter square? That is my question. I didn't ask how to convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. Meter square into centimeter square or centimeter square to meter square. It is centimeter square converting into meter square. So, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, it is centimeter square. So, 100 into 100. Now, we can write it here meter square. Sometimes seeing this 100 into 100 we get puzzled from where this came. So, I told you I did not ask you to convert centimeter into meter, I have asked you to convert centimeter square into meter square. So, centimeter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, centimeter square. So, surely 100 into 100, you know what is the function of a square and all. So, 2 0, another 2 0 also cancelled. Finally, we can say the area of ground is 1584 meter square. Practice this question nicely, learn it well, it's simple, remind the shape, use the formula, find the area leveled in one revolution in 500 times, calculate, convert into meter square. See you with another solution in new video.